Hi guys, if you're searching for the easiest way to manage your microphone or to manage your microphone volume settings in Windows 11, so this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can easily manage your microphone volumes and your system output volumes from a quick settings. So please watch this video till the end to know the complete process. Ratul this side from Accessible Computing. Let's jump in. To do that, you need to follow a few steps. Press Windows plus I to go to Settings.
Settings window, search box, find the setting.
In this search box, type Sound.
6 suggestions.
Press down arrow.
Sound settings 1 of 6.
Press Enter here.
Sound.
Now press Tab.
System 1 of 11 level 1.
Tab.
System button 1 of 2.
Tab.
Output grouping. Choose where to play sound. Speaker selected. Apps might have their own settings. Grouping. Show all settings button expanded.
Tab.
List. Speakers grouping 1 of 3. Speakers button 1 of 3.
So here you can choose the speakers by using up arrow down arrow also.
Speakers radio button checked. Pair a new output device grouping. Add device button.
I'm not doing any changes because I'm using my headphone. So if I do any changes right now, I can't record the video properly. I'm pressing Tab again.
Volume grouping. Mute volume button.
So you can mute your system volume from here. Tab.
Adjust the output volume slider 100. Adjust the
So
output.
here you can adjust the output volume of your system.
Mono audio toggle button not press. Combine left and right audio channels into one. Input grouping. Choose a device for speaking or recording. Microphone selected. Apps
So
might have it.
from here you can choose your microphone. I'm not going to show you in deep settings because it may cause the video. So the video might be stopped. That's why I'm pressing Tab.
List. Microphone grouping 1 of 1. Microphone button 1 of 1.
Okay, so this is my microphone. Currently I've selected. Just you need to press spacebar here and you'll have the option to modify it or change it.
Pair a new input device grouping. Add device button.
Just click on add device, and if you have another microphone you can add it.
Volume grouping. Mute microphone button.
So if you want to mute your microphone, just use this option.
Adjust the input volume slider 91. Adjust the input volume.
So this is the microphone gain. If you want to increase or decrease, just use your up arrow and down arrow keys. Once done, just go back by pressing Alt F4.
Desktop list.
So that's it. That's all about microphone input and output settings. So if you find this content useful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and to like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.